So today we are here in Spring Lake, North Carolina. We are in the community of Anderson Creek Crossing. Today we'll be featuring this beautiful new construction built in 2023 by Caviness and Cates. And Caviness and Cates was founded back in 1999, and they actually started off just building a few homes a year to now they are one of the sought after builders here in this area. So again, this home, beautiful design. We are going to be featuring and looking inside at this one, and this particular design floor plan is the Bailey design, and it is listed right now for $404,000. Actually a little over $404,000. It's active, and it is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and a little over 2,400 square feet. We are so excited to show you this beautiful home, and we are going to get at it right now. Now, if this is your first time to our channel, you want to go ahead and like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be the first to receive all of the current market information that we want to share with you about the great city of Spring Lake, Fayetteville, Hope Mills, Cumberland County, and surrounding areas. Now let's go ahead and go inside. Now first off, as we come in, you'll notice the soft gray walls and freshly painted. And to your right, we have a closet. So you have your hall closet for your coats and jackets and shoes. And then next off, we have the half bath, your throne area right here. And then we have a pedestal sink. And then after this, we're going to go ahead and pass through to the open living room kitchen concept. So you'll notice your gas log fireplace. Also take a look and note for these laminate floors. There's laminate floors throughout the bottom portion of this home. The stairwell and the stairs and the upstairs rooms are all carpeted. This is a beautiful open kitchen concept. You got your ceiling fan, your pendant lights, and a nice light fixture over to your right where you had your breakfast nook area. This is where your refrigerator would go, and these nice cabinets is soft close, so that's a nice touch. You have your stainless steel appliances. Again, this is your breakfast nook area, and this will also lead you out to the deck. So just looking around here, a great area for entertainment. This particular unit does not have a formal dining room, but hey, it's enough space for you to entertain your guests. Now we're walking outside to your nice deck, you know, that and it's stairs to lead you down to the bottom portion. This is a nice sized yard. Nice for your kiddos. If you have some pets, you know, your fur babies, this will be enough for you to put your grill and get out there and do some barbecuing. So you guys let me know what you think thus far of this beautiful home, well put together. Caviness and Cates does a wonderful job, and they don't leave a square foot in any of the homes untouched. So we're going to head upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. All the bedrooms are upstairs, and I don't know if I mentioned on the belly, this belly design, it is 3 floors. So here we are on the second floor. To the right, this is your laundry area. So it's a great space for your washer and your dryer, and you know, your storage, your laundry detergent, and so on and so forth. So this is the first bedroom to your right. Nice closet space, and these rooms are pretty much medium size. I would say a full size bed will be accommodating for this room to also have your dressers and have some walk around space. And this is the second room, and it's pretty much duplicate of the first room. Good size. I think for me, a full size bed will be sufficient enough for this room. And right here off of your right is your second full bath. You know, you have your 2 sinks and nice clean lines here. It's just really nice and clean. You have your tub and shower combo. Beautiful. And now we're going to head to this third bedroom. Same thing. The first, second, and third bedroom are pretty much all the same size, including the closet space. So a good size for your family. And next we're going to head over to the primary room, which is my favorite room. So wow, this is a huge space. Look at the tray ceilings, a nice ceiling fan. Also, you know, the windows in here that brings in the natural lighting. This room, of course, it is big enough for a king size bed, your armoire, and whatever dressers you would have, you know, for your clothing. And again, this two double sink, you know, double vanity, I mean double sinks here in this bathroom. And off to your right is your walk-in closet, and it's a nice size here as well. You have your garden tub that was straight ahead. You have your storage, you have the stand-up shower. So here we go with the garden tub here, and then you have your stand-up shower, and then off to the left is your linen closet, and then you have your throne room. And that's tucked away, so that's very nice to have that little throne room with your door. You know, it's not in an open area, so you can close yourself off and have your privacy. So we're going to go ahead and head up to that bonus room, that third level. And once again, this is the primary room, the tray ceilings, a nice ceiling fan. It's enough room, it's fit for a king and your king size bed. But we're going to go ahead and head up to that third level. Now you guys, let us know what you think about this home thus far. You know, give us some comments in the description box below. We want to hear from you. Now this third level, it does not have a closet in this room, so it's an actual bonus room. You can make it out of an office, a family room, a game room, you know, whatever you know your heart's desire. But we just wanted to let you know that it's not considered a bedroom. There is a door here in this room, but it leads you into the attic. So give us some comments in the description box below. Let us know what you thought about this tour, this Bailey design built by Caviness and Cates, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, a little over 2,400 square feet. We'll see you in the next video.